This is it. Ah. Big one, big. Yeah, go.
You big girl. Ow! Ow!
Keep recording. Keep recording. What are you laughing at? So, explain what you're laughing at. Explain. Tell your public. Tell them. Why are fireworks so funny? What's funny about fireworks?
Stop!
You're no fun. Right. Sean finds fireworks funny, and I don't understand it myself.
10 minutes of blank sky.
What?
10 minutes of blank sky. You said try and keep it still. Ow, it really hurt.
This one came from the cemetery. The very dark patch in the middle of the screen is the cemetery.
Yeah.
And there was a firework came up from the cemetery.
I'm going to put my box on.
What?
I'm going to put my cricket box on.
You're spoiling the video, Sean. Stay quiet. Let people watch this fireworks. You're spoiling it. You're spoiling it for everyone. So stop laughing. Stop it. Stop. Why is this funny? I can't understand why you're laughing. Why is this funny?
I'm trying to watch the...
What? You're just a pervert. Pervert Sean's video of November the 5th. He needs help. Please give to the Just Subscribing page. There's more over there. Look.
Yeah, I'll check out one.
Thank God all the laughing has stopped. Oops, it hasn't.
I'm trying to do this.
Oh, go. Put it on camera again.
Just about. Oh, that's going to be final.
Yeah, that's a finale. Well, at least I got my no money's worth. Oh, it's fucking freezing out there. Dear viewer, please be aware it's fucking freezing. Even when someone's flat.
Yeah, but heat
With
is...
the dressing going on, it is still fucking freezing.
But the heat is only 6 inches away.
Take me to that land.
There's one there that didn't go off properly in time.
No, don't stop it, because the finale's coming. There it is. Well, I wave. Oh. Oh.
just went so that focus.
Describe what's happening, Sean. Describe what's happening. Describe what's happening. Tell it loud. You're just using your stroke as an excuse. Tell everybody what's happening. Tell them. What? What is it? Right, you've got fireworks. What else? What else? Tell everyone. So you've got the dark sky and all the lights out there. Keep the phone steady. You're missing the fireworks. You're missing the fireworks. What's happening? Explain. Tell everyone. Say what you see. Say what you see.
I can't see anything through the tears.
I'm Roy Walker. Say what you see. Then Sean stopped recording video at this stage. We don't know why he stopped recording at this stage.
Ow!
Fireworks don't hurt. Fireworks don't hurt, mate. Keep recording. Keep recording.
YouTube, everyone.
Better not be. Extreme, but you okay. YouTuber, don't think. Oh no, here's the finale. Here it is. Here's the finale. Here it is. Keep recording. Yeah, it's coming up. Here it comes. I can see the little flames. There you go. Where's your value for your money? Don't laugh. You're supporting it. Stop laughing, you're supporting it and everything. Just like you. Oh, fucking hell. Brilliant. Is that not brilliant? Is that brilliant or is it not brilliant? Is it brilliant or not brilliant? Seriously. Answer the question. Answer the question, isn't it? You're weird. I've never heard anyone laugh at fireworks like that before. Why are they funny? Why?
Ow!
Why do you find fireworks funny? I don't understand it. I really don't understand it. End of the Sean sexual molestation video. Fireworks not included. We're going to go viral. We're going to go viral.
It's going to be a big one, look. There's the big ones.
Yes,
That's your lot.
indeed, there is.
That's your lot.
Yeah, there's the big one. Yeah, there's a really big one. Ooh, nice one. Fucking hell, that's a nice one.
This way, look.
Here comes Sean. So this is where this is going to be big. Are you recording?
Yes. Despite being molested, yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Despite being molested, I'm still recording, yes.
Look. Look. Okay, I'll give him £2. What bus do we get? Oh, that's alright, that's cool.
Oh, that was a bit low, that one.
No, cool.
There's the biggie.
It's like an orgasm without the cleanup. Oh, yeah, that's alright. Let me see you looking the phone. Yeah, stay with us, stay with us.
I'm trying to.
The view from Sean's flat, November 2016, 5th off. Freezing cold. But good fun.
Somebody's just found the new box of fire.
Truly freezing fucking cold. Seriously though. Like 1 degree centigrade or something, maybe.
There it is.
Here it comes. Ah, there they go. If you've ever kissed Sean on his balcony, this is what happens every single time.
Oh, you flatterer.
Give me the money that you said you'd give me.
Is that it? That's your folks from the...
Yeah, that's all.